Today, we go inside this incredible factory that produces 4 billion eggs monthly. Thanks to the automatic systems used for the care and feeding of chickens, the needs of each chicken are immediately determined and met. The egg-laying process takes place on completely automatic lines. Eggs are collected and classified by conveyor belts. In this way, production capacity is maximized. State-of-the-art packaging machines pack the eggs quickly and carefully and use environmentally friendly packaging materials. Automated storage and logistics systems ensure that eggs are stored in optimal conditions and ready for shipment. Check out the world's most modern tomato factory. Here, tons of tomatoes are produced and processed every month. Tomatoes collected from greenhouses are transported to the factory via conveyor belts, and the processing process begins. Now, let's take a look at the processing and packaging stage. State-of-the-art machines quickly wash, peel, and slice tomatoes into various products. Automatic filling systems pack tomato pastes and sauces perfectly. In this factory equipped with advanced technologies and smart systems, the production process is truly fascinating. First, we start with the processing of cocoa beans. The beans are carefully roasted in huge roasting machines. High-speed grinding machines grind cocoa nibs into a fine paste. This cocoa paste is combined with other ingredients, such as sugar and milk, in huge mixing tanks. At this stage, the chocolate dough is mixed in conch machines for hours and brought to a smooth and shiny consistency. The conching process is critical to creating the final flavor and texture of chocolate. Finally, we move on to the molding and packaging stages. Automatic molding machines pour the chocolate mixture into molds of different shapes and allow it to solidify quickly in cooling tunnels. The world's most modern donut factory. Flour, water, yeast, and other ingredients are carefully mixed in giant mixers. The prepared dough is divided into equal parts by automatic cutting machines and shaped into donuts. The donuts, whose frying process is completed, are rapidly cooled in cooling tunnels. These machines give each donut a unique and delicious look. Now we will witness how potatoes turn into crispy chips. Potatoes coming from the fields are cleaned in huge washing machines. Peeled potatoes are directed to slicing machines. These machines cut potatoes into thin and even slices. Sliced potatoes are transferred to automatic frying machines. These machines fry potato wedges to a golden brown and perfect crispness. Automatic packaging machines package the chips quickly and hygienically, making them ready for shipment. The advanced technologies and automatic systems used in this factory make the production process truly fascinating. During the decoration stage, cakes are decorated with creams, chocolate, and other delicious ingredients using automatic decorating machines. These machines carefully decorate each cake and offer a visual and taste feast. Decorated cakes pass through quality control systems and take their final form. Finally, we come to the packaging stage. Automatic packaging machines package the cakes hygienically and quickly, making them ready for shipment. Flour, water, yeast, and other ingredients are carefully mixed in giant mixers. These mixers use precise mixing speeds and timings to get the dough to the perfect consistency. The prepared dough is rolled out into thin layers by automatic kneading machines. Then, the dough layers are transferred to automatic lamination machines. These machines create the unique layered texture of the croissant by oiling the dough layer by layer. After the lamination process is completed, the dough is directed to the slicing machines and each piece is shaped perfectly. Let's start this incredible journey. It all starts with carefully selected meat entering huge meat grinders. These machines achieve a perfect consistency by finely mincing the meat with high speed and precise blades. These minced meats are then transported to giant mixing tanks. Here, special spices and secret recipes meet, creating a complete flavor explosion. Then comes the filling stage. Automatic filling machines fill this delicious mixture into sausage casings. Each sausage is prepared to the same size and fullness with millimetric precision. The speed and accuracy of these machines are truly incredible. After the filling is completed, the sausages are quickly tied with automatic tying machines and make their way to the cooking line. Carefully selected chicken meat goes into giant meat grinders. These machines grind meat to the perfect consistency using precision blades that rotate at high speed. When the mincing process is completed, the meat is directed to mixing tanks. These giant mixers blend meat with special spices and other ingredients. Each tank uses programmed precise mixing speeds and times to ensure the mixture is homogeneous. These machines cut the nugget mortar into equal sizes and perfect shapes. Each nugget is produced with millimetric precision thanks to shaping machines and moves to the pre-cooking stage on conveyor belts. It all starts when the spring onions coming from the field enter the huge washing machines. These machines clean onions quickly and effectively, removing even the smallest soil and debris. The cleaned onions are directed to the peeling machines via automatic conveyor belts. The peeling machines peel the skin of each onion with sensitive knives and cutting mechanisms. At this stage, onions are processed both quickly and carefully. Peeled onions move towards the slicing machines. Flour, water, yeast, and other ingredients are carefully mixed in giant mixers. These machines use precise mixing speeds and times to get the dough to the perfect consistency. The prepared dough is rolled out into thin layers by automatic kneading machines. The rolled out dough sheets are directed to automatic cutting machines. These machines cut the dough into pizza size with millimetric precision. The cut dough moves on conveyor belts and moves on to the sauce stage. Automatic sauce machines pour the sauce onto the dough exactly and evenly. It all starts with grinding wheat into fine flour in huge grinding machines. Flour turns into perfect dough by kneading water and other ingredients in automatic mixing tanks. Then, automatic kneading machines make the dough smooth and flexible. Next, there are automatic shaping machines. These machines separate the dough into types such as spaghetti, penne, and fettuccine. Shaped with millimetric precision, the pasta is dried in drying tunnels at low temperatures and preserves its flavor. Finally, automatic packaging machines come into play. It all starts when fresh carrots from the field enter the huge washing machines. These machines clean carrots quickly and effectively, removing even the smallest soil and debris. The cleaned carrots are directed to the peeling machines via automatic conveyor belts. The peeling machines peel the shell of each carrot with sensitive knives and cutting mechanisms. At this stage, carrots are processed both quickly and carefully. Sliced carrots are sent to drying tunnels via conveyor belts. Packaging machines package carrot slices hygienically and quickly, making them ready for shipment. These machines quickly and effectively remove soil and debris from the surface of apples. The cleaned apples are directed to sorting machines via automatic conveyor belts. Sorting machines check the quality of the apples and process only the best ones. Afterwards, the apples go into automatic cutting and pressing machines. These machines obtain pure apple essence by separating the cores and skins of apples. Pressing machines extract apple pulp with the highest efficiency, creating delicious and natural apple juice. We will discover how cookies are produced in the world's most modern cookie factory. The dough prepared with high-tech mixing machines is cut into perfect shapes by automatic shaping machines and sent to the ovens. And the cookies baked evenly in special ovens are quickly packaged with hygienic packaging machines and made ready for shipment.